Hey guys, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I wanted to do a baking video for you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests on baking and, just cooking in our wood cook stoves and showing you guys how that works. Dinner's my assignment tonight, and I'm going to make it really easy. I am doing pizza because that's kind of my specialty, and this is actually a pre-built Costco pizza here, and it's one of the big ones. We're starting here with a nice big pepperoni pizza, and I'm just going to show you guys how to beef up a Costco pizza to make it a gourmet pizza real quick. And then I'm going to bake it in our Heco 520 cook stove and show you guys how that turns out. So when I am starting with the pizza, I always add more seasonings. So right over the top, I am going to add some garlic right over my pepperoni base here. Lots of garlic. You can add as much as you like. We're big garlic fans here, so I'm going to go ahead and just go for it. And I got a little bit of oregano because, of course, base pizzas never really come with that much spice. I've got fresh spinach here. So this is kind of like a twist on a margarita. Like, personally, I love veggie pizzas, but I'm feeding a bunch of guys, so we've got pepperoni on our pizza as well. I'm going to put some extra cheese because who doesn't love more mozzarella cheese? I always like more cheese over my greens because I feel like it just gives the green a better texture on the top of the pizza. And then to hold that down, I'm just going to go ahead and put some tomato slices right over the top here. Spread them out even. Now, I also do have some basil. It's kind of like I said, a twist on a margarita pizza. So, a little bit of basil. Beefed up Costco pizza, looking pretty gourmet, and that was literally 3 minutes. So, no prep time. This is my kind of cooking. So, I'm going to go check on the cook stove and see how my fire's looking. I'm checking on the stove here. Look at how good this stove burns. Absolutely clean glass there. Hot fire. We've had the stove going for about an hour. It was cold though. We haven't ran it in a while because it's almost summertime here. And after an hour, this oven thermometer was reading 300 degrees, which was not quite accurate. We have an internal thermometer that you can see here as well. That one is reading 425. So that's why we recommend having 2 thermometers, just because the one on the front glass, it's external, right? So obviously it's not going to be reading as accurate of a temperature of what's going to be inside the oven. So with that in mind, we are at 425. That's an hour from a cold stove. If you were running this in the winter and you had your stove going and then you were just going to activate your oven, it's really only about 20 to 30 minutes to get it up to temperature to bake at that time. So we are ready to put our pizza in the oven, and I'm really excited because it looks awesome. Okay, we are 15 minutes into this, and I'm just going to open up this oven door so you can see it. We're not quite there, but oh my goodness, it is looking so good. And I'm really impressed because the oven is baking really even. There's not even a need to flip this pizza halfway around because it's going good. So I'm excited. All right, we got our pizza and the family is enjoying.
Yum.
Right? Stevie, how's your pizza? Good.
Good.